Hello, I'm Pete Dryden, and I'm going to show you how to prepare green snap beans for the freezer.
The things you will need are green snap beans, a freezer bag, a small saucepan, and a knife. The first step is to rinse the beans under cold, fresh water. Now, cut off the ends and set them aside.
Fill your pan with cold water.
Then fill your sink with ice water. And then place the beans in a saucepan and boil them for 2 to 3 minutes. This will blanch the beans, which holds in their texture and flavor. Immediately after boiling, transfer the beans into the ice water to prevent them from cooking any further. Remove the beans from the ice water and dry them completely. Now, place the beans in a freezer bag and seal closed, making sure to squeeze out as much air as possible. And finally, place the bag in the freezer immediately after sealing. They will keep in the freezer for up to 1 year.
And that's how you prepare green snap beans for the freezer.